Hey guys, we're live at 10:58 p.m. and we're battling for a sweet treat here. We're battling for Todd's orange hair Luke. Ooh, there he is. I just blew right past him to get to the list. But check him out. He's a peach. I got 350 spots. Big list that I'm going to take over to random to find our winner eventually. As soon as I'm able to find the top of this list. There it is. I'm going to copy them, and hopefully I'm going to paste them over here, and there's going to be 350 of them. Paste them in. There are 350 of them. That's swell. Which means that we're going to be good to go. We're going to find this dude a home, which is rad. I'm going to get up here to the top, and then I'm going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. We got to get at least a 5 to play. We got an 8, which means... That's right, we're golden. Good luck. Somebody's going home a happy camper this evening. Let's get to it. Alton round 1. Mark 2. Alton 3. Matt 4. Andrew 5. Mark 6. Christopher in the top spot for our next to last round with number 274. Which brings us now to the last round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And the winner of Todd's OJ Luke is Matthew Chapera in at number 200. Congratulations, Matthew. Here's the verification code and official results. CKDVOH. Matthew in at number 200 is the victor, which means I'm done at 11 o'clock p.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results and our winner, Matt, at number 200. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.